Hello folks, in this 1-minute Power BI video we will learn how to create relationships in Power BI using data modeling. So we will create a relationship between these two tables by selecting, dragging, and dropping the salesperson filed from one column to another. Here we have two tables, Table 1 and Table 2. Both the tables have a common column of salesperson. Clicking on the relationship row will open an Edit Relationship window. This will help you select the type of relationship required. Here, I will select many-to-one relationship, as Table 2 is primary, and will filter from Table 1. Now we have successfully created relationship between two tables. Thank you. If you want to learn to create a dynamic dashboard like this in 15 minutes, please click on the link above or click on the video at the end screen. Thank you. Please subscribe to the channel.